So we all have a great sense of what our top priorities are. And I'm sure on any given day, you know what you need to do. But it isn't always clear where to start. So when we have a day and we've set ourselves up with a number of things we have to do, what do we pick to do first? And I'll let you know how I used to work. I used to come into the office and sit down, open up my email, have a look in there, take a couple sips of coffee, take my time, get into the element, maybe make a phone call, reply to something, and then I'd start getting my head in the game once I was seated and comfortable about what that big chunk of work was that I was going to do. But this actually isn't the most efficient way to approach your day. Research is showing that we're at our best in the first couple hours of every waking day. Now, admittedly, it's not easy for all of us to get right to work in the morning, but let's do our best to take advantage of when our willpower is at its highest, we have the most control over our day, and we've got great energy. So I advise all my clients always to start with the biggest, ugliest, yuckiest, worst thing on the list, the thing you don't want to do, and do it first. And we call that eating the frog, because once you've eaten the frog, everything else you do in the day tastes better. So instead of being drawn to those little quick hits so that you can cross a few things off the list, just go to that big thing that you've either been procrastinating on or that you're just dreading doing, or maybe it's just the thing that's more complicated, and do that big thing first. Eat your frog.